Welcome to CRPTM, your ultimate crypto tax companion. Consolidate, calculate, conquer. Managing your crypto taxes has never been this simple. You can seamlessly track all your crypto transactions across multiple platforms, hassle-free and stress-free. Getting started is easy. Log in using Google, Coinbase, or simply with your email. Get a secure and seamless login experience. With Intuitive Dashboard, you get a clear and complete snapshot of your crypto portfolio. You can easily see the distribution of your holdings, analyze gains and losses, and get a tax preview, all in one place. With Add Account functionality, you can easily connect your crypto accounts with over 180+ integrations. From wallets and blockchains to exchanges, you get everything under one roof. You can easily search for and select an exchange, wallet, or blockchain you want to connect. Importing your transactions is easier than ever. You can choose to import directly using API or upload a CSV file. You can use our pre-formatted CSV template or simply upload your exchange file, and we will handle the rest for you. For real-time syncing, simply enter your API details and securely fetch your transaction data automatically. Our system processes your transactions securely, ensuring your portfolio is always up to date. You can easily track the status of your connected accounts under My Accounts page. Whether it's an exchange or a wallet, keeps all your data organized. You can see the list of connected exchanges and wallets, their statuses, and if there are any issues. With Transactions page, review and manage all your crypto transactions in one place. With detailed transaction history, you get the complete transparency. Filter transactions effortlessly by exchange, category, type, asset, or date, making it easy for you to find the transactions you need to review. Let's take the example of filtering the Ethereum transactions. Need to make adjustments? Edit any transaction details with just a few clicks to ensure your records are accurate. You can update type, date, currency, fiat value, and fee details. With Add Transaction feature, easily add any missing transactions manually to maintain a complete and accurate tax record. Once you have reviewed the transactions, you are ready to generate your taxes. To start with, choose your cost basis method and cost tracking method to align with your tax strategy. Starting 2025, IRS requires filing using the wallet tracking method. Transition seamlessly from universal to wallet tracking, ensuring a smooth experience. Now adapting to new tax rules is stress-free. We take care of the complexities, so you don't have to. Easily access a comprehensive tax summary, including capital gains and losses, crypto income, and even gifts and donations. No more manual calculations. Simply download pre-filled tax forms and file with confidence. Here is the Form 8949 for the capital gains. Want to dive deeper? Our tax form analysis lets you see exactly how your taxes were calculated. Easily review which transactions were used for cost basis calculations. Review different forms. Check for any anomalies. Play around with different filters to compare scenarios, and optimize your tax strategy with ease. Take control of your crypto taxes today. Sign up now and experience the smartest way to consolidate, calculate, and conquer your crypto taxes.